folks. As you can probably tell, we're off ploughing. Got the 7-power on the back, and I've got the 8250 on the front. Just because that tractor's the one that's on it. So just about to head up to the field. Get in there. There. Yeah, we're got a bit of contract to do with someone. We've already done I don't know, 50 acres, but I think there's 60, probably about 80 or 90 acres all told, and well, we're off to just go and do, I don't know, I think it's about 8 acres, so got a little field to go and sort out. So Johnny's going to be on his holidays, so he's concentrating on that at the minute, he is. Amazing. He likes to think he's the best ploughsman in the world, like Johnny does. He ain't too bad, to be honest. He does it right. Mr. Hall, Mr. Peter Hall, in his little lorry. On the side here. Here's Peter. John has been making noises about getting rid of my tractor, the 7270. He thinks it drinks too much fuel, just because it was a bit thirsty on the power. But I've set this tractor up so that you can see how much this was. How much this is drinking on ploughing, but John being Johnny forgot to look, so we'll find out today, see what it's doing. My one, when I had this plough on, was doing between sort of 28, I was doing about 30 litres an hour, so it'll be interesting to see what this one does. This has got a bigger, although it's factory, it's got less horsepower. It's got 250 horsepower, and my one's got 270 horsepower out of the factory. But this has got the bigger engine, both Cummins engines in them, but this one's 8.3 litre, and concentrating, plus it's see around the bend, so there's nothing coming. Yeah, this one's 8.3 litre, and the 7270 has got a 6.7 litre Cummins in it. So this is a bigger capacity engine. Obviously, it's I'm not sure what the torque values are, but this will have more torque with it as well, so being the bigger engine. A good place to find out the specs on any tractor, be it new or old, is tractordata.com. That's where I go if I want to find out. Oh no, you were joking. You got a road closed. Isn't too bad going this way, but it's not ideal. It only gets a pain when people park down there. It gets a bit narrow, but it's like the free, clean and green, as John would say. Yeah, tractordata.com is very handy because it lists absolutely everything about tractors. You know, all the specs about them, like so. Excuse me. So that's the place to go if you want to find out exactly about your tractor. Anyway, so yeah, it'll be interesting to see what speed this is. How many litres an hour this is using. Get him the old swing it. Yeah, we're alright. This is a fair way back, that now is. I've never ploughed this field before, but or done any work in it apart from baling it, but I'm pretty sure it's quite stiff in here. Right there. There's a little ditch, but you should be able to creep through that. Well, yeah, it looks quite sandy from up here. So, yeah, right, I'll spin you around so we can see what we're doing. Yeah, good start. A good start. We have popped the shear bolt straight away. We went in a bit deep there, we did. Pull out, we'll change that. Dear. Fun. Right, might as well come out and what can I do that? Yeah. Smashed it as. Smashy. So I'll stick it on there, mate. Torque spot there, shall we? A bit wonky we are. It's real tough down this bit. You know what we just done? Another shear bolt. We're on that shear bolt, so it's right with me. I'm just managed to do the first land now without popping another shear bolt. So just going to get it right in the corner now. Like so. Turn out a little bit. This is how I like to get right into a corner. So, run back up the other side. Oh, phone call. We'll see what that is. Found the spot there, I think. Go out there. just had a message from Wes. He's after looking at my how to operate a Typhoon drone video. He decided to get one of them instead of, well, he was looking at the DJI, but now he's had a look at my Typhoon on the video. He's decided he wants one of them, and I think it's a bloody good choice. Like, you won't go far wrong with it, I don't think. And he's messaged me. He's coming over on the 9th, so 9th of November. It's working well because Johnny will be back off his holiday, and when Johnny gets back, I'm going away for a week, and I should be back as well. So it'll work in lovely. And probably do a few videos. Get Wes behind the wheel of one of these. We'll probably still have a bit of work to do then, because we've got some spring plough. Well, we've got some ploughing. Well, some stubble that needs ploughing so it can overwinter. So for the spring crop. So I'm sure we'll still have a bit of that to do. So we can get him on a plough or something. Yeah, see what Wes thinks of these fast tracks. I think I'll be impressed by this one, especially with the Vario box on it. It's got to be a match for any equivalent brand in this, you know, horsepower segment and size segment. But we'll have to see what he thinks. Wiggling it already, haven't they, up there? Yeah, I'll get that out. I do like trying to keep my ploughing straight. Like I said before, I've only ever ploughed in the furrow. It does take a bit of getting used to ploughing out the furrow. Couple more runs nice tight into the edge, and I'll come out for the headland. Ah dear. Anyone want a coal? I'll have enough of this one. Oh, nearly done the land work now. It's got a little bit of gauze work to do. I mean a little bit. Another 3-4 passes and sort the headland out. As you'll see in a minute, using the inner headland wheel marking as we mark to pull in and out. I'll stop there. One, it gives you a nice straight line. To go in and out on, and two, it means that you'll be ploughing, you'll definitely be ploughing the tram line the way you're going to be going down the tram line, if you know what I mean. You keep crossing the tram line, having your ins and outs on the tram line, you're just going to make it bumpy no matter what you do. Well, it makes it hard work, put it this way, to get it smooth enough so you've got to smooth out a tram line. Whereas you just have a bit of a bigger headland. It solves that problem. It doesn't take much longer to plough your headland, so. As though this one was ploughed in last year. I just had to think of it for a minute. The headland was ploughed in, so we will plough it out this year. So basically means we'll start at the headland and work our way in. So. Right, so we'll start over this corner over here. Up now we'll see the benefit of getting up nice and tight in the corner with the first few furrows. It'll all be ploughed now. Let's hope we don't break any more shear bolts on this outer headland, because I ain't got none in the tractor. Lots of big trees to go past, so hopefully we won't break them. Oh, dear. Blooming cold. We'll take it out as far as we can. About there. Right, now we'll empty in this one. We'll plug this in, put it out. Just like that. Then we'll do that again. Now we'll drag it down the edge. Away we go.